Hello, today we are going to unbox this Braun Series 9 electric razor. I got this from Amazon for $300. This is supposed to be for my dad when I visit him when I go back to India after the COVID. Let's see what it has. I believe it has the actual razor. It has a charging and cleaning station, and then case for the razor. And what is so interesting about this razor is this. I was not expecting this to come with a 32-bit processor. I think you can see this better here. It has a 32-bit advanced processor. I don't know for what reason a shaver has a processor on it. Alright, so let's get started and see what it has inside. Alright, this is where I have to open. Alright. How do I open this? Okay. This is interesting. This is where it was sealed, and I opened it, and I don't know how to open. Oh yeah, here. Okay. Alright. It's interesting. It opens this way, and it was sealed on these two sides. Okay. So every unboxing is different, and this carton opens up in a different, unexpected way. Alright, so they have this manual, and they have this. Alright, they have the keys. I don't know, what is this? Clean and renew cartridge. Okay. Okay. We have the charger, and then the charging station and base. Alright, so I think this small utility to clean. Let's see. This is the actual razor inside this case. Let's see how it looks like right now. Alright, this is the razor. Not sure if it goes this way or this way. Okay, there you go. That's the way that I have to put in. And it charges. Okay. I have no idea why this is there. Okay, this is supposed to be the cleaning station. And it's too big. I don't know why it has to be so big. Okay, whatever it is. That's it, guys. Hello, I was trying to figure out what that cleaning liquid is all about and where it fits in. So this is how we have to do it. Once you lift this up, so that's a cleaning liquid that I slided in. This is how you slide in, and that has some alcohol that helps you clean it. Now it all makes sense to me. So when you do this, so it just cleans. It cleans all of that. Sorry. So it does a cycle of cleaning. So because it's alcohol, it dries off really quick. Wow. So it's just alcohol and it dries up so quick. I don't think I ever need this at all. So there is an indication here. So now I don't see the indication. That means it's all cleaned up. Interesting.